Good morning, students. Kindly get your textbook and turn to page 18. Today we are going to read the story. The title is Noisy Neighbors. And later on, you're going to answer these two activities. So, after reading by sentence, I will explain to you. Noisy neighbors. What do you mean by that? Noisy neighbors means the house next door, they are they makes a lot of loud or unpleasant noise. So it's not good. It can disturb you. So let us read. Our neighbors in the house next door are very strange indeed. So meaning to say, the house next door, your neighbor, they are very strange, meaning unusual. It's not common to other neighborhood. So let's continue. They get up at 4 o'clock in the morning when it's still dark outside. It means they get up at 4. It meaning to say they wake up early because it's 4 o'clock in the morning. Oh, it's too early because I always get up at 6 o'clock. So I get up at 6 o'clock. But here in the story, it's 4 o'clock when it's still dark outside. So meaning to say it is absence of light, meaning maybe there's a little light or no light at all, still dark. Oh. When I'm still in bed. So while the writer still in bed, while still lying on bed, they listen to music and do exercises. So the neighborhood, they listen to musical instrument. Oh, maybe it's too loud because the neighborhood can hear the sounds of their music and do exercises. It means this is an activity, a physical activity. Exercises like jumping jack, push ups, pull up. Oh, that is exercises. Oh no, that is very. Oh, that is good for the health. Oh, but it's too early. So it's funny because their son goes to school late every day. Oh no, it's funny. Like it's difficult to understand because their son goes to school late every day. It means from Monday to Friday. So late, it means far, far on in time. Because usually in our school, we begin at 8 o'clock, 8:30 in the morning, 8:30. But here in the story, they're always late. Maybe the kid uh, go to school at 9. Oh no, it's late. Oh, it's not usual. They argue and shout all day and fight at night. So it means that they have a heated argumentation and make a lot of voice. Oh, not good. From morning to evening to night and fight at night. So fight, it means it involves exchange of physical blows or using weapons. Oh, not good. It's so sad. I'm so sad about this story because they have a little kid. So fight. Oh no, not good. Bad. They always eat dinner very late and go to bed at midnight. Oh no way. So they have meal in the evening late. So maybe 9, 10, 11. Oh no, I will die for that. I will die for starving or hungry. Oh, no way. Because I always eat in the evening my dinner at 6 o'clock. Sometimes I have early dinner at 5 o'clock and go to bed at midnight. They sleep at 12 o'clock. 12. Oh, it's very late. And now I know that is why their son are always late every day because they sleep at midnight. My mom, my mom says maybe it's time for us to move away. So the mommy of the writer of this story wants to move to another place because of she cannot stand of the noisiness of their neighbor. But I don't want to go. So the one who write this story doesn't want to go. He wants to stay at that place. Okay, you should remember that. Okay, let's move to number 19. Understanding A. Answer the questions. Okay, number one, are the neighbors good or bad in the story? So you can answer here good or you can answer bad. So, what can you say about the neighbors in that story? Are they good or bad? So, you can say they are bad neighbor, or they you can say they are good neighbor based on your understanding about the story. So, I think you know what to answer in number one. Number two, would you like to have neighbors like this? Why and why not? So you need to explain, you need to reason out. Uh, do you do you like a neighbor like that? So you can explain your answer here in this gap. Does the writer want to move? Okay, you should think about it. So that's the writer, the one who wrote that story, want to move to another house, move to another place. So you can say yes, or you can say no. He doesn't want to move, or yes. Uh, yeah, you can answer here in this question, in this gap. So that is easy to answer. So let's go to understanding B. Put the sentences in order. So meaning to say you need to arrange which which sentence here is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth. You need to arrange. But let me give you the answer in number one. But here, the technique how to answer this, you need to read the sentences first by understanding. You need to comprehend. Okay, you need to understand. They argue and shout. They do exercises. They go to sleep. Their son goes to school. They wake up early. They have dinner. So you need to find the first sentence here in the story. So let us read. I will give you a technique. Our neighbors in the house next door are very strange indeed. So I think you cannot find uh, the sentences here from this first sentence in the story. They get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay, here. They get up, meaning to say they get up early in the morning. It means they wake up early. So this is your first sentence. Okay, you can write your answer in number two. That is how you arrange. You need to find the first sentence from here. Number two, I will give you also in number two. And number one, the answer is letter E. Number two, when it's still dark outside. Oh no, you cannot find this in the sentences. When I'm still in bed. Oh, you cannot find this there. They listen to music and do exercises. Okay, this is your number two. Look at this. They do exercises. So this is answer in number two. This is how you arrange. You need to look the sentences here to the story. One, one, two, three, four, five, six. So you need to continue here. Three, four, five, six. Okay. And now this is all for today. Don't forget to write your name, grade, section, and your student number, and send it directly to my line account. Bye bye.